Welcome to our space adventure flashcards. Get ready to blast off into the universe as we explore the wonders of space together. From the glowing sun to distant galaxies, these flashcards will take you on an exciting journey through the stars. Each card is packed with fun facts about planets, astronauts, comets, and more. Whether you're a budding astronaut or just curious about what's out there, these cards will help you learn about the amazing world beyond Earth. So grab your space helmet, and let's discover the mysteries of the universe. Help me find a space rocket. Space rocket. Rockets are powerful vehicles that blast off into space, carrying astronauts, satellites, or even probes to explore distant planets. They work by burning fuel, which creates a lot of hot gas that shoots out of the rocket's engines, pushing it upward. Rockets have to be really strong to break free from Earth's gravity and reach space. Some rockets can travel at speeds faster than a speeding bullet. Once in space, rockets can release their payloads, like satellites that help us with weather forecasting or GPS. The first rockets were used in wars, but now they help us explore the universe and even send humans to the moon and beyond. Let's find a moon. Excellent job. Moon. Excellent job. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, orbiting around our planet and keeping us company in space. It's much smaller than Earth, about 50 moons could fit inside our planet. The moon takes about 27 days to complete one orbit around Earth. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, so there's no air to breathe and no weather. This is why craters from ancient asteroid impacts are still visible. The moon has different phases, like full moon and crescent moon, depending on how the sun lights it up as it orbits Earth. Its surface is covered in fine, powdery dust called regolith, created by meteoroids over millions of years. In 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon, marking a huge milestone in space exploration. The moon is a barren, rocky place with no life, plants, or water. Interestingly, the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, moving about 1.5 inches further away each year. Despite this, its gravity still plays a crucial role in creating ocean tides on Earth, pulling on our oceans to make high and low tides each day. Let's find astronaut. Yes, that's right. Astronauts are brave explorers who travel into space to learn more about our universe. They wear special suits that protect them from the harsh conditions in space, like extreme cold and the lack of air. When astronauts go to space, they live and work on spacecraft, like the International Space Station, where they conduct experiments that can't be done on Earth. Floating in zero gravity is one of the coolest things astronauts experience. It's like flying. They have to exercise every day to stay strong because there's no gravity to keep their muscles and bones in shape. Astronauts also get to see Earth from space, and it's a beautiful, blue planet that looks like a tiny marble from far away. Help me find a comet, please. Yes, you're right. Comet. Comets are like cosmic snowballs made of ice, dust, and rock, zooming through space. When a comet gets close to the sun, the heat makes the ice start to melt, creating a glowing tail that can stretch for millions of miles. This tail always points away from the sun because of the solar wind. Some comets visit us regularly, like Halley's Comet, which shows up about every 76 years. Comets come from distant parts of the solar system, and when they get close to Earth, they can put on a spectacular show in the night sky. They're like nature's own fireworks, lighting up the sky with their bright, shimmering tails. Help me find a satellite. Yes, you're right. Satellite. Satellites are amazing machines that orbit around Earth or other planets. They are used for all sorts of things, like sending TV signals, helping with GPS navigation, and taking pictures of our planet from space. Some satellites are as small as a lunchbox, while others are as big as a school bus. They stay in space by moving really fast, so they don't fall back to Earth. Satellites help us learn more about space, the weather, and even how our planet is changing over time. Do you see a meteorite? Excellent job. Meteorite. Meteorite. A meteorite is a piece of space rock that survives its fiery journey through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the ground. When it's still in space, it's called a meteoroid, and if you see it streaking across the sky, it's called a meteor. Most meteorites are small, but some can be as big as a car. Scientists study meteorites to learn more about the solar system and how planets like Earth were formed. They're like tiny space travelers that bring a piece of the cosmos down to us. I can't find a black hole, can you please find it? Yes, you're right. Black hole. Black hole. A black hole is one of the most mysterious objects in space. It's a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Black holes are formed when very massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. If you got close to a black hole, it would stretch you out like spaghetti before pulling you in. Even though we can't see black holes directly, we know they're there because of the way they pull on nearby stars and gas, creating amazing light shows. Help me find a planet Saturn, please. Excellent job, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and is famous for its stunning rings. These rings are made of billions of pieces of ice and rock, ranging from tiny grains to chunks as big as houses. Saturn is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. It's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, the same gases that make up stars. Saturn has more than 80 moons, and some of them, like Titan, are bigger than the planet Mercury. Saturn's beautiful rings and many moons make it one of the most interesting planets to explore in our solar system. Help me find a sun, please. Sun. Excellent job, Sun. The Sun is a giant ball of hot, glowing gases that sits at the center of our solar system. It's so big that about 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun provides the light and heat that make life possible on our planet. It's constantly burning, with temperatures on its surface reaching about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is also a star, just like the ones you see twinkling in the night sky, but it's much closer to us. Without the Sun, Earth would be a cold, dark place with no life. Please help me find a UFO or unidentified flying object. Yes. This is a UFO or unidentified flying object. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object, which means anything seen in the sky that can't be easily identified. Sometimes people see strange lights or shapes in the sky that they can't explain, and they call these sightings UFOs. While many UFOs turn out to be airplanes, weather balloons, or even birds, some remain mysteries. Because of these mysteries, UFOs are often associated with aliens and space, sparking imaginations about visitors from other planets. Even though no UFO has ever been proven to be from outer space, they continue to be a fun and fascinating part of our culture and science fiction stories. How you thinks, where galaxy is? Yes. You right. Thank you for help. Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, planets, gas, and dust all held together by gravity. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is shaped like a giant spiral, with the Sun and our solar system located in one of its outer arms. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way, and there are billions of other galaxies in the universe, each with its own unique collection of stars and planets. Some galaxies are small, with only a few billion stars, while others are massive, containing trillions of stars. Galaxies are like giant cosmic neighborhoods where everything in the universe lives. Do you see planet Mars? You right. This red plains, Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. It's the fourth planet from the Sun and is about half the size of Earth. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Scientists are especially interested in Mars because they think it might have had water on its surface long ago, and they're even exploring the possibility of humans living there in the future. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are exploring Mars right now, searching for signs of ancient life. Helped me find a rover. Excellent job. You right, this is a rover. Rovers are robotic explorers that travel across the surface of other planets, like Mars, to help scientists learn more about them. These amazing machines have cameras, tools, and even tiny labs on board to study rocks, soil, and the atmosphere. Rovers can move around on wheels, climbing over rocks and exploring craters. They send back pictures and data to Earth, giving us a close-up look at places humans haven't visited yet. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have made incredible discoveries, such as evidence that Mars once had water. Do you know where is planet Earth? Yes. Good job, this is our planet. Earth. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life, and it's our home. It's a beautiful, blue planet with vast oceans, towering mountains, and lush forests. Earth has everything we need to live, air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. It's also just the right distance from the Sun, so it's not too hot or too cold. Earth is constantly spinning, which gives us day and night, and it also orbits the Sun, giving us seasons. From space, Earth looks like a big, colorful marble, with swirling clouds, blue oceans, and green and brown land masses. Where a telescope? Please help me find it. Yes, this is a telescope. Thank you. Telescope. A telescope is a powerful tool that lets us see far into space, bringing distant stars, planets, and galaxies into view. There are different types of telescopes, some that use lenses and mirrors to magnify the light from distant objects and others that detect invisible types of light like radio waves. Telescopes help astronomers study the universe, discovering new planets, stars, and even black holes. With a telescope, you can see craters on the Moon, the rings of Saturn, and galaxies millions of light-years away. They're like giant eyes that help us explore the vastness of space from right here on Earth. Do you know? How looks a star? You right, this is a star. Stars are giant, glowing balls of gas that light up the night sky. They're like huge, burning furnaces made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees in their cores. Our Sun is actually a star, just like the ones you see twinkling in the sky, but it looks much bigger and brighter because it's much closer to Earth. Stars come in different sizes, colors, and temperatures. Some are cooler and reddish, while others are hotter and bluish. Over time, stars can change, sometimes becoming supernovae, which are massive explosions that light up the sky before they fade away. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies and have been guiding explorers for thousands of years. Thanks for joining us on this incredible space adventure. We hope you had fun learning about the wonders of the universe with our flashcards. Remember, the sky isn't the limit, there's a whole galaxy out there waiting for you to explore. Keep looking up, stay curious, and who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be the one to discover something amazing in the stars. Until our next journey, keep dreaming big and reach for the stars.
Please, like, subscribe for my channel.